Okay, this is 115 Venetian Way. This is the east-west view of this humongous lot, and we're now at the front where the gates. There are two gates that look like this, and a wall, and another one down there. And here's the house. We're going to go inside the house, and then we're going to go around the perimeter just to show you, what the structure looks like. But this is a humongous space. If you don't mind doing the work, this is a hot spot. They have left the door open. That's how much they want to get rid of this place. The property is really not worth that much. Who knows about the condition of this place? So a lot of mold in here. Room there, there's a room there, that's your front door. Let's check out what's going on in here. Okay, we got a bathroom. Glass shower. Sink with a pedestal, glass. A little dirty, some mold up there. Let's check out the other rooms. Electrical looks good. This is your kitchen. You got marble floors. Obviously somebody took the appliances with them. Back door. We're going to show you the back in just a few minutes. Let's check out what's going on up here. Okay, small little room. And it's got a shower with some marble on the wall. Modern toilet and a shower. And this might have been great for a nanny. Okay, so that's basically what we got here. Let's go outside and see what's going on. Lots of space. Man, I can just imagine what I'm walking in. There's a guest house in the back. Probably about a good 800 square feet. There it is. Let's check out the back. There's about 6 inches of daffodils and flowers here. HVAC obviously has to be done. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, it doesn't really look like much. So here's your guest house. Here's your main house. We showed you the kitchen before, and this is your walkway from the front. Those are the two rooms we saw in the back that had holes in it, and there's your kitchen. But it doesn't matter. You're going to be knocking this thing down anyway. Okay, let's see if we can see what's going on in here. Anyway, it's a humongous lot. It's really, really cheap. It's on Toledo Island. Hello. Anyway, that's about it. We're at 115 Venetian Way. I'm Andy Katz, and thank you very much for tuning in. Ay, ay, ay. Look at all those things. Ouch.